How to redeem Amazon gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your Amazon gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to redeem your Amazon gift card, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Amazon application over here. And once you launch the Amazon app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the little account icon that you can see here. Once you tap the account icon, you can just go to this option known as your account. Once you go to your account, what you want to do is you'll see all the sorts of information, where what you need to do is basically just look for the option called manage gift card balance. So let me also go ahead and then look for that option over here. So right here you can see it says add gift card to your balance. Make sure to tap on it. As you do that, you'll be able to see gift cards. Now you can simply enter your gift card code here and then tap on the add gift card to balance, and then you'll be able to successfully add a gift card to your Amazon account. This way you'll be able to redeem your Amazon gift card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.